Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression if we have 81 to the power of 5 minus 81 to the power of 4 and we write this into the simplified form. So here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. Here we will show all of the working in your page. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to focus on the exponent of the first term, and we have the exponent of this 81 is 5, and we write this 5 as 4 plus 1 minus this is 81 to the power of 5. And now here we need to apply this exponent law. You know that if you have a to the power of m plus n equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this exponent law, we will write, or we will break this exponent as in this form: 81 to the power of 4 multiplied by 81 to the power of 1 minus this is 81 to the power of 4. And now in the next step, you see here we have 81 to the power of 4 be the common expression, so that here we just take common 81 to the power of 4, and the remaining terms are, here we get 81 minus, here you take common 81 to the power of 4 and we will get here minus 1. So here when you subtract 81 minus 1, we write it as 81 to the power of 4 multiplied by 80 only. So here we rewrite this 81 to the power of 4 as in this form. So we write it as 81 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2. We write this 4 as 2 times of 2, and it is multiplied by 80. So here we apply here this exponent law. If you have a to the power of m multiplied by n, we write it as a to the power of m to the power of n. Here we will use this exponent law. So according to this exponent law, we write this term as, we write it as 81 square and its whole square, and it is multiplied by 80. So further in the next step here, in order to open the square of 81, we first write it as 80 plus 1. We write this 81 square as 80 plus 1 whole square, this square, and we can again put its whole square, and it is multiplied by 80. And now in the next step here we just we just expand this algebraic formula. You know that if we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. Here we need this nice algebraic formula in the base of this term, so that we write its base as in this form. So this is first a square. Here our a is 80 square plus 2 times of ab. Again our a is 80 and b is 1, and plus b square, so b is 1 square and its whole square, and it is multiplied by 80. So further in the next step here, in order to take the square of 80, here you just say we need to expand the square of 8. We know that the square of 8 equals to 64, and here we just double these zeros. Okay, in this way, plus here we multiply 2 times of 80, so here you have 2 zeros are 0 and 2 8s are 16, and 1 square equals to 1 and its whole square, and it is multiplied by 80. So here in the next step we need to sum up all of these values. So here we again rewrite it as, so when you add 6400 plus 160, it will be written as 6560, and here you have, this is our plus 1 and its whole square, and it is multiplied by 80. And now here when you sum up this one, here it will be written as 65,601 whole square, and it is multiplied by 80. And now in the next step here we need to this square means that we will multiply 65601 by 65601, and it is also multiplied by 80. So here first we break this value, and it will be written as, we write this term as 60,000 and plus after that we have 5,000 plus we have 600 and plus this is 0 and plus 1. Okay, so here we need to multiply this number by 65601 and also multiplied by 80. So here we just multiply this number with this whole number, and we will write separately here. So we multiply these numbers as 600 multiplied by 65601 plus this 5,000 multiplied by 65601, and plus this is 0, and we multiply 1 by this, and we get here 65601. And after that we just multiply our result with 80. So here we just do the mental multiplication. Here we can do this multiplication in our head. So you see that this is our one number and these are the five numbers. Okay, so when you multiply this 65601 with this 0, then we will get 0. 65601 multiplied by this 0, we again get 0. This multiply this number, we again get 0. This multiply this number, we again get 0. Okay, and no, now when you multiply the 6 on this whole number, then you get here 6 ones are 6, 6 zeros are 0, 6 6 are 36. We write 6 and carry 3. Okay, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3 33. We write 3 and carry 3. 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 3 becomes 39. Okay, plus similarly here this is our one number and these are three numbers. When you multiply this number with 0, then you get 0. When you multiply this number with 0, you get 0, and again you get 0. So here you have this 5. We need to multiply this 5 on all of these values. So 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30. We write 0 and carry 3. So 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 3 28. We write 8 and carry 2. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2 becomes 32. Okay, so this is our plus 65601, and at the end we multiply it by 80. So here first we need to sum up all these values by the traditional method of addition, and you know that this method, so according to this method of addition we write these terms as in this form 8 2 3, and at the last we have 1 0 6 5 6. So we need to add these all these values. So this is 1 0 6, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus we carry 1, 6 plus 6 12 plus 1 13. So 8 plus 6 14, we write 4 and carry 1. So this is 6 and 12 and this is 4. Okay, so we will multiply this number with 80. So here we can multiply this number with 80 in this traditional method of multiplication. So when you multiply this 0 and all these values, it will become 0. So 0 ones are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 6 0, 0 0 0, 0 3, 0 1, 0 4, 0 6, 0 2 and 0 4. And after that we multiply this 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 zeros are 0, 8 6 are 48, and we write 48 because this is 0. So 8 3s are 24. We write 4 and carry 2. 8 ones are 8 plus 2 is 10. We write 0 and carry 1. 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33. We write 3 and carry 3. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 3 51. We write 1 and carry 3. So 8 to the 16, 16 plus 5 becomes 21. We write 1 and carry 2. 8 4 the 32, 32 plus 2 becomes 34. So finally we get its answer is 0808440311 34. This is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.